Unplug wire harness. Use a 1/4 socket or bit to remove the 2 screws. Next, loosen the 5/16 set screw. Now press down on the slider clip to release the cable. Bend the tabs out so that you can then open the switch. Gently clean the contacts. Be careful to not remove too much material. Replace the slider, being mindful of the correct orientation. Attach the adjustment clip. Make sure the adjustment clip lines up correctly with the slider. Finally, bend back the tabs and reinstall. Adjust cable within the clip to set when the turn signal engages the blinker. Pull the cable further away from the steering wheel to engage the right turn signal sooner. Or push the cable closer to the steering wheel to engage the left.